Bro hit the lotto. He got OEM. Yeah. Bro, look at this. What, RS5? It's got a screen right here, bro.
Do you see the key somewhere?
What does it show here? That's what I want to know. Is it Audi Sport? Oh! That has to be aftermarket, bro. I know Audis make this aftermarket. I swear.
No, that's stock.
Bro, this isn't a Lambo. Alright, guys, we're back with another video. Alright, guys, while he's doing that, let me show you all the parts he got. So, look, guys. Bro hit the lotto. He got OEM icons. Look at these, bro. I don't even want to break them. Look. Wow, bro. So he got the OEM icons. Right here are the yellow DRLs. And then he got another icon for the other side. Adaptive. Fantastic. And then look. Another thing he got is a brand new bumper. Look at that, bro. It's because his bumper right now is like really messed up, so he got a brand new one. Let me show y'all the condition of the current one. This is his car right now, bro. Look at that. It's in shambles. But yeah, this is the condition of his current bumper.
Watch the skirt.
Huh?
The carbon fiber side skirt.
Oh, I know where to jack it up. Alright, it's coming up.
Alright. That's good.
Damn, heck of screws. Imagine one of these in your tire, bro. Oh, that's a bad day.
That is a bad day.
Little M branding on there too?
Everything.
Sheesh.
Look at those. They have M on the bottom of them.
Oh yeah, I know these do.
Yeah. I just put those in, but I gotta get new ones because they're
Scrapped up?
another cracked from bottoming out.
Oh, I see it right here.
Yeah. I got to repair both of these connectors.
Which one's those? Oh.
Because there's a pin broke and it's corroding on the inside. That's why I was having this park sensor problem on this side. It wasn't even a bad sensor, and I bought a new sensor. Fucking hack mechanic. Did you take him through all the parts?
Huh?
Did you take him through all the parts?
I showed them the headlights, the bumper, and the DRLs.
Oh, let's go look at the rest.
Alright,
There's a ton of stuff over there. You got those?
oh yeah, you got paint match side reflectors.
So we got
All OEM guys. Look at that, BMW part numbers and everything. Brand new grills, look at that. Shiny, shiny.
yeah. And then we got
So 2 of those, one right there, one right there.
new ones of these since
Oh,
those
the
are
new
cracked.
bottom ones? Wow.
Yeah. The windshield seal.
Uh-huh.
Alright. These are the windshield moldings.
Oh, the ones we just took off.
Yeah.
Wow.
Brand new.
That looks so good.
And this is the fun part because you know what all this is going to cost, but then you don't plan for all of this shit right here.
Oh yeah.
Like you don't
Like
plan
a new emblem.
the stoppers for the
Oh,
windshield, the lower windshield seal. I already put this on the car. It's the new center bracket because the one was broke. The little bottom grill in the
Gotcha,
corner on
yep.
the left was broke, so I got a new one of those. The wiring, the repair kit for the wires for the park sensors.
Yep. The ones that you need to resplice.
Yeah. There's this thing that goes on the front on the bottom. This is supposed to be like what stops it from bottoming out.
Look, you got one headlight off. All the mayhem later. The headlight's right here. And the bumper. And it's fully apart right now. Holy crap. The filters are hecka dirty. Well, you can see his KW.
Why don't you ask him what
The
you
Haas
mean
kit.
when you talk? Why do you fucking up first?
Alright guys, little update. We got both headlights out. We got the bumper off. And we got all the fender liners out. Look, that's one headlight. That's the other headlight. We got this side skirt off. Reason being, he's gonna get this panel repainted because there's some dents and stuff he wants to fix. And then on this side, we haven't got to it yet, but you still need to pull this fender out and take off the side skirt. So on this side, I don't know if y'all can see this wrap right here. What do y'all think about that wrap? So this side has it right now. And we just took it off this side. What do y'all think looks better? With the black wrap or without it?
Let me get out of the way.
No, I showed them. I told them that I told Al I think it looks better without it. But he likes it with it.
I like it with it. I think it looks more aggressive.
It has like a shadow illusion to it. Ew.
Ew.
This is the what gel coating? Why can't I break it? Oh, there we go. Oh shit, guys. It stinks? I don't want to smell it, bro. Watch out. Alright, guys, we're getting this fender liner out now.
It's not. Oh, my bad.
Oh, yeah.
It's not fun either.
What, getting the fender liner out?
Yeah.
Watch your head on the jug.
Yeah. All the dirt in your eyes and in your nose.
Oh, I can't imagine, bro. It would be easier on a lift, huh?
It'd be easier with the power off.
Yeah. You gonna take it off?
No,
You're gonna need to anyways.
too late now. What do I need to take it off for?
Oh, I guess not. I worked at Discount Tire, bro. You know that?
Did you?
Yeah, for 3 months
No
until I
shit.
realized it was slavery. Yeah, bro. They were paying me $14 an hour to lift tires all day. That's crazy how it runs from this side, huh? Why can't they run it through like the firewall or something?
I don't know. It's dumb.
They said German engineering's the best. My ass. There you go. Okay, so my thing is, right? There's someone that makes these in carbon.
Yeah.
Like the actual plastic vent. Type, huh? Let's see. What is it?
Tell me.
It's a new mod. Oh, bro got blue underglow? How'd you do that?
Just a little something. Not much, but it adds to the car, right?
Oh, is this one of the... Oh, do red. Yeah. That's sick. Did you do it in the rear too or just the front? Oh, shit! Open. Damn!
Next up is full ambient lighting.
Yeah, on the doors?
No, this is hard.
That is. That is hard. Look at this, Jordan. Everything's apart, bro.
Damn.
Look.
The whole bumper has to come off?
Obviously, how are the headlights gonna come out?
Right here.
No.
It's kind of cool to... It's kind of cool to see everything.
Getting replaced.
Yeah? Like
Look.
tonight?
We got a brand new bumper.
Where'd you get that?
Where'd you get this? Yeah. From the dealership.
It's not the Euro going, right?
No, he has a side market.
Yeah.
But he already got them paint matched,
That's so sick.
right?
Why is he getting a new one?
Because look at the condition of his current one. No, we just took the gel coating off.
Why?
Because it was yellow. Now he has to sand it down. This is all the gel coating. This is what it looked like. It's like a snake skin.
I didn't know you could do that.
So,
Come on, looking good again?
yeah.
Okay. How much is a bumper, Al? Damn, I didn't know bro had front mounts too.
Yeah. Everyone got the front mount, bro. I'm telling you. You next? Huh?
No.
Why not?
I don't like the way they look,
Why not?
personally.
They sound amazing.
They do, no doubt. How come there's
Are there really icons on the 4 Series?
Yeah.
That's
If you get a depth of LEDs on the 4 cylinders, you get icons.
See, it's funny, I went to get OEM BMW parts or whatever. 4 Series was cheaper than like an M3. Why is that?
There has to be something different.
I don't know, but when I look at parts, when you go by
It's
the
the
part
same?
numbers, it's the same price.
Huh.
When I look them up, they're the same price.
Can you tell which one's more beat up or no?
Just from a glance.
Yeah. And look what else he got. He got French fries.
Is that grill?
Yeah. Brand new. OEM.
Sheesh, yo, modification.
Yeah. Mods on mods on mods.
Alright, support.
Damn, guys, look. No front end. It was really hard, bro. No cap. It looks kind of good like this.
It does. This actually does look crazy.
Oh, now it looks crazy?
I'm not gonna lie. That was fucking-
Alright guys, that's it for day one of the F82 project on Al's M4. So far we just have the front bumper off, the headlights off, all the fender liners, all the vents, and the side skirts on this side. I don't know if he got them off on this side yet. Oh yeah, he got them off on this side as well. So pretty much now, tomorrow we are going to do body and paint work. Well, not paint work essentially, but just body work. So we're gonna Bondo some stuff, like there's some dents over here, there's some dents on that fender that he wants to like just make smooth and then get painted. So we're gonna get that done tomorrow. Make sure you guys tune in to the next video. It'll be part 2 of this. So I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out, guys.
Turn the Chanel, stole to a hang, got the bitch massage me. Turn my energy